Hello everyone, welcome back to One This Tip, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to upload images on Midjourney. So to get started, open your Midjourney. It may be linked with Discord. So go to the Midjourney and then go to any rooms. I'm going on this new buys 55 or 85 room, and in there you can see the plus icon. Click there, and also you can see the upload a file. Click in the upload a file option and select the file you want to add. So once it's done, hit the enter button and you are all done. Your file will be uploaded on Midjourney. So that is how easily you can upload a file or photo in Midjourney. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us.